Vitamin C has been the talk of the beauty industry for the past few years. Whether in the form of serum, creams or supplements, beauty gurus on the internet constantly sing the praises. As consumers, we often get swayed by these recommendations and end up incorporating vitamin C into our skincare routines. But do we really need vitamin C products? What exactly does vitamin C do for our skin? Could it potentially harm our skin or even make it darker? In this video, let's explore the truth behind the hype and determine if vitamin C is a skincare must-have or just another trend. Vitamin C is famous for being a strong antioxidant. It helps make collagen, keeping your skin firm and giving it a bright complexion. Serum also helps reduce dark spots and reduce hyperpigmentation. While vitamin C acts as a sun shield also, protecting your skin from sun damage. Using vitamin C serum regularly can tackle different skin issues like fine lines, wrinkles, and even uneven skin tone. While it offers so many benefits, it can also harm your skin very seriously. Do you know why? Because you might be making some of these mistakes. Let us go through them all. Common mistakes when using vitamin C serum can hinder the benefits and even harm your skin very badly. Neglecting patch testing can result in irritation and allergic reactions. Incorrect application order, using excessive amounts, and neglecting the sunscreen afterwards can be a common pitfall. While mixing with incompatible products, skipping moisturizers, and inconsistent use, also applying the expired products, are very harmful. To maximize vitamin C serum benefits, it's very essential to follow recommended dosage. Apply in the correct order, store appropriately, and maintain consistency in the usage. These precautions ensure serum enhances the skin without causing any dullness or darkness. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to India.com.